Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today something special. This is the Bape and Eminem collaboration collection. I only got two pieces out of it. There's plenty of designs out there, but I felt that these two were kind of my favorites. So let's have a look at the first one. This is a pretty generic design. Let's have a look at it. Bape dust bag, pretty standard. You got some paper right here on the inside, pretty standard nowadays. Line camo. And let's just spread this out a little bit. Now I got this in a size XXL, I think. Yeah, check that out. I think it's pretty nice. It's got the classic big ape head motif, and they've just covered the ape head with a lot of M&Ms. You got the logo here, M&Ms in the chocolate color. The rest of it is just like lots of M&M just spilling out the ape head, which I kind of like. In terms of the print quality, I think it's alright. I mean, it's not as colorful as I would like it to be. It's a little bit subdued if you ask me, but kind of muted. Yeah, so I guess it is what it is. All right, let's get straight to the tags. M&M's, bathing ape. Got the tags inside here. XXL. Sorry, didn't get that in frame earlier. XXL. All that good stuff, and the new generation Go Ape Head inside. Pretty standard card, all right, special for the collab. Let's look at the wash tags. See here, I think the wash tags are those in the, yeah, I think it's in the neck tags itself. These are the wash tags. All right, so is it? Not too sure. You know, the Bape tends to change it up every few so often. They put it inside the body, they put it on neck tags, things like that. All right, there you go. Made in China. Okay, 100% cotton. At the back, it's pretty plain. There's obviously nothing aside from, again, the M&M's Bathing Ape logo in brown. Right? I think it's a nice overall t-shirt. It's very, very colorful. On the side there, you got the tag here, back of the ape head. Nothing on the right side. Yeah, so pretty cool. I like it. I think it's simple. It's symbolic. It's a blend of very good colors, especially using the ape head. I think you can't really go wrong with the big ape head as a centerpiece of the t-shirt itself. It's always been a classic design choice for Bape. Right, so that's that. Let's get straight to the more expensive one, which is the color camo version. Now I understand that this particular design is of a bigger size, so if you intend to get this particular design, then you don't need to actually size up. Again, line camo, tissue paper. This one comes in a variety of colors and looks. I got the red one. You have the blue. I think you have the blue and yellow, I think. And they all have different expressions on the M&M guy. So this one, you've got this smirk, which I like. And yes, immediately upon touching the fabric, I can tell this is a lot better quality. All right. The print is also much better. All right. You can see the eyebrows, the eyes, the mouth here. Of course, this is based on the color camo design, which is a red color camo. The other thing I want to speak a little bit about, I'm not sure if I've mentioned this in the past videos, but I'll just repeat it again. a lot of people may be asking like, what's the difference? Why they use different tags between this one and this one? Simple answer is that if you have this tag, this is the more expensive one, better quality, allegedly. Whereas this is the more generic, mass-produced version. Whereas this one, with these tags, they do tend to be made in Japan. I guess so, mostly. This one with these tags are made in the China factory. All right, so as you can see, the tags are also different. The hang tags, I mean. So on this one, you have this tag as comes with all the Eminem collabs, and you also have this ABC Camo green with the ape head on its inside with a message, pretty standard. Yeah, so if you intend to buy Bape, this would be the main design to go for with this tag, because it's just better quality overall. It's thick, it feels thick, that's a good thing. On the back, nothing. So I believe in this case the wash tags would be on the inside of the t-shirt itself. Let's hope I'm right, and yes it is. Okay, so 100% cotton. This is also made in China. Again, there's no hard and fast rule with Bape nowadays. It's just how it is, you know. And it can get a little bit tiring trying to just legit check everything, making sure. Because back in the day, the rule of thumb was everything is made in Japan. Now, 10 years ago, they've already started to move most of the things to Japan. Right on the right side, got the ape head right there. Right, so this is a wide cut. That means it's a little bit bigger, a little bit wider. So I went for the XL version, as you can see here in the tag here. So this tag, size tag, remember there's always a ape head at the back here as well. All right, I think this is a fantastic piece. Looks great. Yeah, so hope you like this video. Subscribe, comment. If you do decide to get the Eminem collab pieces, yeah, hopefully you find this video a lot useful. Red color camo has always been my favorite. I think if you compare this with the yellow or whichever color they have, this will most probably sell out the earliest. All right, hope you like the video. Subscribe, comment, and follow me on IG LKHOE23. Talk to you later. Bye bye. So this is XXL. I think this is the right fit. You're a big dude, I think XXL will fit you fine. I think this goes for XXL as well. Yeah, guys, as you can see, XL, wide fit or wide cut. This is how it looks like. All right, it's pretty big for XL, as you can see here. So if you're gonna make a purchase decision, just make sure that you buy the right one. I think this is still too big. I should have gone for a L. Yep, I like it. It's crazy, but you know,